Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Letgo, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Letgo, begin by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your device. You will be presented with the option to sign up using your email address or your social media accounts. If you prefer to use your email, tap on the sign up button and enter your email address. After entering your email, create a password that meets the requirements listed on the screen. Once you have created your password, tap on the Continue button. If you choose to sign up using social media, select your preferred platform, such as Facebook or Google. Follow the prompts to connect your social media account to the Letgo app. After successfully signing up, you will need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Letgo. Click on the verification link provided in that email to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Letgo app and log in with your credentials. You will be prompted to set up your user profile. Fill in the required information, such as your name, location, and profile picture. This helps other users identify you and build trust within the marketplace. After completing your profile, you are ready to start using Letgo. Browse through listings or create your own to buy and sell items in your area. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the app's features and policies for a better experience. With everything set up, you can now enjoy the convenience of Letgo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.